9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Woo! The countdown.
Where is it?
Where is it?
Where is it? What's going on?
I'm here with Eliza.
Waiting for
Waiting
whatever.
for the
Wait
fireworks.
for it.
Oh, there's a
Wait.
firework.
Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Do we need the countdown?
Oh,
Is it behind us?
Oh, it's behind us. It's behind us. Oh my gosh. That's actually so awesome. Wow.
It looks much better in real life.
I know, right?
That's why when you film stuff, you have to look into where you're filming, so you
Yeah.
can't miss the moment.
Yeah.
It's so
Oh
cute.
my, I can't believe I'm watching it with you, Hannah.
Right. Funny.
Yeah.
This would make like a super cute aesthetic photo, no?
Yeah, yeah. I like the colors. This purple in
I'm
it.
gonna take a photo of the explosions in the
I like the color. I love the color. Oh wow. Look at that.
Look, there's a button on the video you can press.
Yeah.
Sounds like fun
It's
stuff.
actually pretty long.
Yeah. This is like vibes,
Is
right?
there an actual firework for the New Year's Eve?
Yeah. On New Year's,
Ah.
people do so many fireworks.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not here on New Year's. It's in the Philippines. Oh my.
So sad.
I know. Oh, on New Year's, we'll be flying.
Imagine if it's fireworks.
You flying, you see fireworks. At least it's above the angle.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's big. I'm spamming my phone with screenshots.
Wow. Ooh.
That's so
I'm just turning my body. Wow.
wow. That's so pretty.
I wish Auntie was an answer Alice here.
Right?
Auntie watching it from the video.
Yeah, I'm sending this to my mom. We're watching the fireworks.
Yeah. You should come with us.
So cute. Obviously, I would have came when it's nighttime because I don't. But it was fun. Definitely should go too.
Wow, that's so cool.
I've lived in Alice Springs 13 years and I didn't even know this existed.
Really?
Yeah.
Auntie doesn't know as well.
Sounds like gunshots. You can hear it from over there, right?
The echo. Oh no, that's so nice.
It's so pretty. This is like, what if. Wow.
This is actually the first fireworks in our spring.
Yeah.
And it's pretty long, wow. How many times have I done this?
Right? I'm done